Have you ever wondered how much energy artificial intelligence consumes and its environmental impact? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an incredible tool that's transforming the world as we know it. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and the energy demands of AI are immense. Consider this. Google's AI uses as much electricity each year as every home in a city the size of Atlanta. That's a staggering amount of energy. And it's not just Google. A single AI model can emit as much carbon as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. That's right, just one model can have the carbon footprint of 5 cars. And these models are multiplying every day, with each one demanding more and more energy. In January of 2023, the AI model ChatGPT had nearly 600 million visits. With each user asking about 5 questions, the energy consumed was equivalent to the energy used by 175,000 people in the same period. And the datasets used to train these AI models, they're growing exponentially. As these datasets grow, so does the energy required to process them. This means that if we want to discuss sustainability, AI needs to be part of that conversation. Then there's the issue of electronic waste, or e-waste. With the rapid advancement of AI, many devices are being discarded due to outdated hardware. This increases the demand for new devices, which in turn requires new resources for production. If this hardware isn't properly disposed of, large areas of our environment could be polluted. So, while AI is undoubtedly set to change the world, we need to be aware of its potential environmental impact. If we're not careful, the carbon emissions produced by AI could contribute to catastrophic climate change. Yes, AI promises to revolutionize our world, but we must also recognize its potentially catastrophic environmental impact if we don't act responsibly. On the flip side, AI also presents opportunities for reducing our carbon footprint. Consider this. AI has the potential to transform a multitude of sectors, not just by creating realistic video game environments or personalized medical treatments, but also by reducing the consumption of natural resources. How, you ask? Through the optimization of processes and minimization of waste. Imagine a world where generative AI algorithms are used to optimize the design of buildings, infrastructure, and products. These algorithms could analyze a design, identify inefficiencies, and suggest improvements, enabling us to build smarter and use fewer materials in the process. Now let's take it a step further. What if these AI algorithms could also be applied to manufacturing and production processes? By analyzing data from these processes, AI could identify areas where resources such as water and energy are used inefficiently. Once these areas are pinpointed, the algorithm can then suggest concrete changes to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Think of it this way, instead of just consuming resources, AI can help us use these resources more wisely. It's like having a digital efficiency expert on hand, constantly working to make processes leaner and more resource-friendly. While AI does consume a lot of energy, it also has the potential to significantly reduce our consumption of natural resources and energy usage. The key is to find a balance and make AI work in harmony with our planet, not against it. So, how can we reduce the environmental impact of AI? Well, there are innovative solutions that are already being implemented. Cooling systems can account for as much as 40% of total energy consumption at a data center. One such solution is liquid cooling. This involves using a liquid medium to absorb and remove heat from computer servers. Liquid cooling is up to 3,000 times more effective than air cooling as it cools the heat source, namely the servers, directly rather than cooling the entire space. Another solution is AI-assisted automatic cooling control. This involves leveraging real-time data from sensors to predict consumption patterns and optimize energy use for cooling. Using green-certified products, recycling and using treated wastewater, eco-friendly refrigerants and fire suppressants, replacing emergency diesel generators with fuel cells, and replacing lead-acid batteries with lithium-ion batteries are all additional measures that can be taken to make data centers green. Data centers are also being designed to run on nearly 100% renewable energy sources. These purpose-built centers are not only environmentally friendly, but they're also more cost-effective in the long run. And what about the waste from liquid cooling? It's not wasted at all. The warm water created can actually be used for growing produce in greenhouses or for heating homes. By implementing these solutions, we can make AI greener and more sustainable. In conclusion, we see that the environmental impact of AI is significant, with its energy consumption comparable to large cities and potential to generate e-waste. However, AI also holds the promise of reducing our carbon footprint making processes more efficient and conserving resources. The key is to make AI greener, using renewable energy sources and innovative methods like liquid cooling. Our goal should be to ensure that the energy consumed by AI models is 10 times less than the carbon they help to reduce. As we continue to embrace AI, it is vital that we do so responsibly and sustainably.